Did you know there is a national park in the middle of the Pacific Ocean? And no, I am not talking about any of the Hawaiian national parks. I am talking about the National Park of American Samoa. This national park is the furthest national park from the continental United States, attracting just 8,000 to 10,000 visitors yearly. The park offers a mix of hiking, snorkeling, and unique ecosystems found nowhere else on Earth. It contains dramatic volcanic landscapes with rugged cliffs, lush rainforests, and pristine coral reefs with over 950 fish species and 250 coral types found nowhere else. It certainly is one of the more underappreciated national parks.